So, what exactly is JavaScript? JavaScript is a programming language that allows us to give instructions to the browser. In simple words, JavaScript tells the browser what to do. And where JavaScript is used, it's not used only for browsers. Like it is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. It is used in websites, web applications, browser automation, APIs, front end development, back end development, automation frameworks like Playwright. Why Playwright uses JavaScript that we have just seen, like that? Since browsers already understand JavaScript, Playwright can easily control browser actions like opening the websites, clicking on the buttons, filing forms, validating tags, and then automating user actions. So it's very easy. Now, before moving further, let's quickly understand two very important JavaScript keywords like let and const. Go to File, select any blank folder, like open folder. You can select any blank folder, like I'm selecting basics over here. Okay. Then create a new file. You can write any name. I am using practice.js. In the file, open the file and you can write console.log. Whatever you will write here, that will be printed on the screen in the output. So right click and run code. The file will execute and this is printed here as you see, right? And then how do we add comments over here? So the very first thing is double backslash, like this is my comment. Okay. So you can add any comments about the code that you are using, right? And if you want to write comments in multiple lines, like this is a single line comment. But if I want to extend it further, this is my multi-line comment. And then you can end it similar way. Okay. And now before moving further, let's quickly understand two very important keywords like let and const. If there are these are used to store data inside variables. Okay, we can write let name is equals to JavaScript and you can print the same, right? For printing again console dot log, and if you just print the name, it will show JavaScript over here. And there is another keyword that is const. So const is used when values should remain fixed and let is used when values may change later. So const city is equals to, we can write anything New York, right? And then we can print the same dot log and print the city variable and then run code. See, you all this is printed hello world, then we are printing JavaScript and then New York. So const the value remains same. For const you cannot change the names. Like if you are writing like city is equals to London, now I am changing it now, and then I can print console dot log, again trying to print the city, right? Right click, run code. See, it is saying city is equal to London, assignment to const variables. Like you cannot change the value of a const variable. But if you want to change the name, then you can change. Like earlier we gave the name JavaScript and now we are giving it as London. And then we can print it again. It will, this value will be changed. One more important thing. By default, JavaScript executes code synchronously. That means it runs one line at a time from top to bottom. Here, if you see, first is it executed hello world, then this name, it printed JavaScript, and then it printed this city, New York, and then we changed the name value to London and it printed London at the end. So it is printing, it is working from top to bottom, and it reads these instructions step by step and executes them in sequence. And you may also hear the word Node.js frequently. Normally, JavaScript runs inside browsers, but Node.js allows JavaScript to run outside the browser as well. And Playwright uses Node.js behind the scenes. So whatever we write Playwright automation scripts, we are actually writing JavaScript instructions that control a browser automatically. So if some of these concepts feel new right now, that's completely normal. We will learn everything step by step together. In the next video, we will start learning the first building block of JavaScript in more detail, the variables. And trust me, everything will start becoming much easier step by step.